in Byron, making my way to YHA. It should be nice. It's really, the weather is awesome. It's sunny, but yeah. So I'm about to go to the beach, just got a coffee, really excited. First impressions, reminds me a bit of Orange County, but more calm. One thing that I absolutely love about Byron Bay is the fact that everyone sits on this grass during sunset. There's performers, it's totally free, and you can bring food. It's just like a super cool way to hang by the beach and chill, and just a really nice environment. Good morning. So it's my first full day in Byron. I'm really excited. So first I'm gonna head off to the farmers market, which happens every Thursday. They have food, clothes, coffee. So excited to see what this brings. Then I go for a little walk by the beach. It's super nice out. It's a little bit more chilly than it was up north. So that thing that I was holding, that was like a frozen dried fruit snack. And I got some amazing coffee from these two women that brew and make the beans, everything at their house. So that was really cool. So loved the farmers market. There was some really good live music. Got to talk to a girl who had a really cute dog. Oh my God. There was also a lot of cheap eats and stuff there. So I definitely think if you come to Byron and you are on a budget, highly recommend that. And they had a lot of really cool plant-based options. The other thing I wanted to say is it has been a little bit harder to meet people. I think I'm a little bit more nervous as well. Pretty much most people are Australian or from England, but I would say majority are definitely Australian, as Brisbane was a little bit more international, I felt. But yeah, hopefully we'll meet some cool people today. I'm just gonna have to talk up a random. So we are at Fisherman's Point. What do you think of this?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
I love it. It's amazing.
It's really spectacular. Yeah. Check it out.
And they're surfing out there.
Yeah, look. It's not very good, is it?
No, I could do a better joke. I could go up there and be like, leave the steak to me.
My final full day in Byron. Honestly, just initial thoughts. I really like it here. It's very nice. Small town, the beaches are amazing. It is quite a bit more expensive than Brisbane, and from what I've heard, it's going to be more expensive than Gold Coast. But I would say the average meal here is about 15 US. Coffee is about 4 or 5, so is a little bit more on the expensive side, but definitely worth it. Today it's a little bit cloudy, so probably not going to be able to fly the drone. We will see and go from there.
Okay, get away from me. Get away.
A rainy day, Byron, still beautiful vibes, beautiful sky. So guys, it is Saturday night. I just picked up my dinner, if you can see what this is. The thing that I really like about this is, first off, it's super healthy, and it's actually really affordable. So this comes out to about $5.50 US. This is just kind of something, when I was in Perth last year, I loved these, and so it was cool to see them again. And yeah, they're super healthy. You can hear the animals. So we woke up for sunrise hoping that it was going to be really beautiful and nice, but it's a little bit gray.